Welcome to Learning YouTube. I'm Rob and I'm a YouTube product expert since 2011.
The big red slide inside YouTube headquarters.
If you're looking to grow your channel to be a successful YouTuber, I'm ready. I'm happy to assist you with your journey. I'm starting this channel at 0 subscribers. Hey, we all start at 0. What do we do first? What should a brand new channel focus on? Views, watch time, average view duration, click-through rate, audience retention, keywords, titles, descriptions, thumbnails, scheduling, video length, and on it goes. It can be kind of overwhelming. Hey, I get it. Here's the deal. I'm going to let you in on a secret, something I have learned the hard way. In a minute, first, this is my unofficial, informal, my personal opinion. At the start, the focus is going to be mostly on what we might call best practices. What is the best thing that we can do? Yes, like everything in life, there's always going to be exceptions. Please don't chase or focus on the exceptions. You know, that shiny object. Oh look, a squirrel! Yes, I started on YouTube long ago, way back in the early days, starting my first channel in 2007. Then I started a channel in January 2010 on a new Google account. That's this account. This was back when each channel had to be on a separate email. When brand pages launched, I moved my YouTube channel from my profile, this profile, over to a brand page. When I did this, a new channel was automatically created on my profile, on this profile, this very channel. If you check out the About page, you will see it was created way back in March of 2013, but I've never ever used it until now. It just sat there idle. The other day, I uploaded a short channel trailer to get things started. Check it out. And this video is my first real video. So we're in this journey together, starting at the beginning with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 watch time. As you start your channel, start to think about what you wish to accomplish. What should people be interested in your videos? What's your message going to be? What's your brand? Something that might seem difficult is focusing on a niche, a specific narrow topic. Hey, don't worry about nailing it down right away. Get videos published. See what you like and see what your audience likes. Hey, what's that sweet spot? What you and your audience both like together. Be consistent. Decide on a schedule and stick to it. You're starting at 0 videos. In the beginning, your goal should be to regularly upload videos. Maybe start with, 1 video a week. Keep it simple at first. Maybe 2 to 3 minute long videos. You need to get videos uploaded and published to your channel. Improve by making videos. Okay, here's the secret. It's not about the camera, or the lights, or the fancy set, or the background, or any of the many things that you can spend money on. It's about you. Your audience wants to connect with you. It's the passion, the emotional connection. In a single word, engagement. Watch, review, and study other YouTube creators, but hey, don't try to copy them. And super important, please don't compare yourself to them. It's not a competition. Start where you are with what you have. I didn't even have a video camera when I first started. My first videos were actually slideshows put together. It's not about the equipment. It's about your passion, about your hustle. Make sure to upload a custom thumbnail for each of your videos. The image should explain, describe what your video is about in a picture. Craft a title that represents something people are looking for, something people are interested in. Okay, these are some of the basic steps to get started on your journey from 0 subscribers. We will go into detail on each of these issues in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for more information, more best practices that you can use to grow your channel. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Be part of the Learning YouTube community. Remember, right now, the most important thing that we can do is focus on our channel. Focus on best practices and ignore all that noise. We are starting at the beginning with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 watch time. 0. Together, we will succeed.